Hello guys, for my Martian Aero code, I'm trying to learn the basics of Blender so that I can make animations. I'm very, can say I'm a beginner and I'm trying to learn this software as soon as possible so that I can upload the animations on my channel. Okay, let's say I had made this animation. This is very rough animation because I have just tried. Right now I'm learning the Blender, so I hope you like this animation. Maybe I know it's a very rough, you can say rough animation, but I hope you like it. I will start uploading the rough footage of my learning of Blender, and I will start uploading the videos along with my other videos that I make, and I'm actually new to this. Okay, thank you so much for watching.